Good day. It's your old pal Dale.
Hi, Brian. Look at me. Got my little Cessna all fixed up with bent the gear. I'm still dealing with a wonky gear. But it'll be fine, I'm sure. It's a banner day. Wow, where do I start? Start with an awesome flight. Cessna in the air. Yeah, it's been a great day. I'll say hi to everybody. Hi, Rick and Brian and Sherba and Mr. George and girls, 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 girls. My little night owls staying up late. Watching the festivities. We have some fun at Stampede. It's Calgary Stampede. So everybody's hooting and hollering and whooping it up. That's part of the tradition. Part of the tradition for the old cow town, as they used to call it, cow town, because a lot of the cattle got sent here and processed. Back in the day, back in the West. The Cessna. My first ever solo was in a Cessna 182. And thank goodness. Thank goodness, because what a plane. Let's try a full flap approach. Fun. Yeah. Here we go. Got the Gretchen and Cynthia. Con. I know you're super excited. Just hold on to that. I think it's 30 days or something before we get going. Just hang tough, girls, hang tough. And thanks for all the great pictures. I love to see them. And I keep saying, oh, next time you're here, we'll have to load up all the hard drives and make sure we all share the same pictures. But it never happens because we always got other stuff going on. Oh well. So this is one of those odd days when there's very little breeze. Well, there's a little bit of a breeze, but nothing serious. And it's just one of those peachy days. Sails so nice. It's got a prop brake. Well, it's set up for the prop brake. But doesn't really stop the prop. Maybe I'm going too fast. Sailing. Oh, I'm gonna have to change that front gear. I'll use some stainless steel because it's just too flexy. So as soon as it touches down, it wants to give up the ghost. Bug! Oh, there's no wind, so now the bugs will come out. Freakish little monsters. I was pleasantly surprised and happy to get stung by a wasp. And there you go. Yeah, everything else is going good. Political debates notwithstanding. I'm much like some other people I know that I truly appreciate. Just politics, man, not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea. We're so lucky that we are virtually unaffected by a change in government. Here in Canada anyways. I mean, you know, there's different opinions and different policies and such, but for the most part. Hey, the highlight was going to see a couple of my good buddies. They're part of the musical ride for the RCMP. I have a deep association with them, having worked for them for many years. And that's another thing. A deep respect for any kind of law enforcement, be they our fish fang fur and feathers guys, or wildlife officers, which a lot of people don't know, put themselves at risk every freaking day. And it's not the furry things that are the danger ones, it's the poachers and you know, people panicking and stuff. So that's why I admire a guy like Brian. The guy's so together, and yet the average person would have post-traumatic stress disorder for a lot of the stuff that goes on in his everyday life. There, that was soft enough, it didn't kill it. Okay, I'm back. Witte Cessna. Witte Cessna. Running quite a large battery in this, a 3300. So, as you can imagine, it'd be a long, boring flight, filled with sickening drivel. It is such, like I said, it's a trouble-free plane. This thing just so cool. And there's a lot to be said, you know, flying a high wing plane like this. It's so relaxing. I dig the adrenaline and all that sort of stuff, but I also like a landing like that, when you can just come in and zoink it so sweetly. Alright, well, that's enough for this one. Cessna 182, the Durafly. It's a incredibly durable model, although I haven't really punched it bad. Anyways, everybody take care. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.